Ramadan is a time of reflection, worship, and self-discipline, but it doesn't need to be overwhelming. Pray, work, self-care, a blessed month. This meal is essential for sustaining you throughout the day, so focus on a mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you energized. After suhoor, the day can seem long, but it's important to stay productive. You don't have to push yourself too hard. Focus on small tasks that you can accomplish without draining your energy, such as light reading or organizing your workspace. This is a great time to set goals for the day and mentally prepare for what's ahead. When it's time for Duhr prayer, take a break from your tasks. This is a perfect moment to reconnect with Allah. Perform your prayer with mindfulness and reflect on your spiritual journey. Afterward, rest for a while to recharge. The quiet moments of reflection during Ramadan are essential for maintaining balance. In the afternoon, energy levels may dip, so it's important to conserve your strength. Instead of tackling difficult tasks, focus on simple activities like light stretching or preparing for iftar. If possible, try to take a nap to rejuvenate your body. Keep hydrated in the non-fasting hours to stay energized. When it's time for iftar, break your fast with dates and water, following the sunnah. Take a moment to appreciate the blessing of food, and then enjoy a balanced meal that includes protein, vegetables, and carbs to restore your energy. This is a time for family, reflection, and gratitude. After Isha, make time for Tarawih prayer. Even if you can't pray the full amount, try to perform as much as you can. This is a time for spiritual connection and reflection. Before bed, take a moment to reflect on your day. Make dua, supplication, for strength and gratitude, asking Allah for help in continuing your journey of worship. A restful night's sleep is crucial for waking up refreshed and ready for another day of fasting and prayer.